She's gonna paint. No, let's go outside! Come on!
Exploded in the San Fernando Valley. The huge fire consumed 2 city blocks full of sets and movie storage areas at Universal Studios. Essentially, what's been destroyed is the background area known as New York City Courthouse, which is the future facade, King Kong building, and then behind the King Kong building is the video vault. This is the courthouse square from the movie Back to the Future. Also damaged, the famous clock tower that enabled star Michael J. Fox to time travel. All that said, and the King Kong exhibit to be replaced, original copies of movies head on.
The video library was affected and damaged, but our main vault of our motion picture negatives was not.
40 to 50,000 videos and reels were damaged in the video vault, luckily there are duplicates in a different location. Firefighters may have saved